Hello guys, in the video we're going to talk about how to downgrade your macOS without losing data. So the first thing you actually want to do, and we are here in support Apple, so the first thing you want to do is create a bootable installer for macOS. So you want to follow this, just search create a bootable installer for macOS in your browsers and this will show up as the first option. So these are advanced steps that are primarily for system administrators only and experienced users who want to mess around with their computers. So you don't need to do a bootable installer to upgrade or reinstall, but it can be useful if you want to install macOS on computers. So the first thing you want to actually do is download the macOS installer from Apple. So it's going to be provided right here ready. So that's why I wanted you to search this because this is all the links that can actually show you where you have to look. So the first thing you will have to do is how to download and install macOS right here. So open that in a new tab and then it's gonna show you how, and here you can actually download it right here. So if you want Sequoia 15, Sonoma, Ventura, Monterey, Big Sur, Catalina, Mojave, and High Sierra, they're available right there. So you can also download from Mac that is using the low latest version of your OS S El Capitan or any later versions if your Mac is using that. So here you can open that if you're using a Mac Mini, and right here you can see the versions that are been compatible and check out which ones is gonna be a version that's good for you. So basically once you have installed this already and you have it in your bootable drive, you can actually just basically go to your time machine. So time machine is gonna help you back up your data right here. So just search time machine. So all you have to do right here is go to time machine, turn it on, and then select your backup disk. You must have a backup disk and not your own SSD built into your MacBook or your Mac Minis or your Mac perhaps. So the first thing you want to do is restore from time back machine backup once you've already installed it. So it's once you boot it, it's gonna basically just say install macOS and just press that and it will install. It's just that simple. From there, you want to restore from time machine backup, and then if that doesn't work, you want to wipe it out first and erase the whole disk first and then restore it from your time machine backup and then you'll be all right. So it's just that simple basically, guys. So all you have to do is download one right here and then install it and then wipe your computer and then install your latest or your later versions of your Mac OS right here. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.